Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Barber, salon, customers, beard, comb, styling, adults, children, styles, shaves, relax, scissors, provider. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Tim is a barber. Tim works in a barber salon. Tim has many customers. Tim trims the customer's beard. Tim uses a comb for styling. Tim serves adults and children. Tim styles his customers' hair. Tim shaves his customers' hair. Tim's customers relax while he works. Tim cleans his scissors. Tim is a service provider. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.